Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change NSFW settings on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will immediately be able to start watching various different live streams. Now, if you wish to change the NSFW settings, then tap on Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Account Settings. Now from the Account Settings page, tap on Content Preferences, and then underneath the Content Display Preferences, you can turn all of these options off. And now, once you turn them all off, this will disable NSFW settings within your app. And in order to turn them back on, you can once again go back to Content Preferences and choose between the contents that you would like to hide or the ones that you don't wish to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the NSFW settings within the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.